Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you remember, some time ago I posted a YouTube short on my mini twists and how I tend to carry my mini twists for as long as I can. So when I posted that video, I was asked questions, and both here and on other social media platform, people wanting to know how I was able to keep my twist for up to 3 months. So this video I will be telling you how I kept my twists for 3 months and then how I maintained it throughout that 3 months. Okay, so the first thing I usually do is I have a routine, and this routine helps me in maintaining my hair, my scalp, and my overall well-being. So what I do is I know that I'll be carrying this hair for at least nothing less than 2 months. That was my initial plan, nothing less than 2 months. So good enough, I was able to take it up to 3 months. So I'm going to share with you what I did in order for me to keep it up to that time and to prevent it from locking up. Yes, I was able to keep my mini twist for 3 months and it didn't lock up. So these are the things I did. One was I ensure that I wash and moisturize my hair. I wash my hair every 2 weeks and I moisturize my hair every 4 to 5 days, depending on how dry it is. So sometimes, maybe because of the weather or because of how stressful the day was or exercising, I can get sweaty sometimes, so I end up washing the hair every week. But my normal schedule is every 2 weeks. So, and second thing that I did was I ensured I kept my mini twist straight. Like, I tried to prevent it from shrinking up. Yes, even in mini twist, your hair can still shrink up. So I try to prevent that as much as possible so that they don't knot at the end. And how I did this was by should I say rebraiding the twist. Yes, rebraiding the twist. I did this in different styles. You can check my channel, you see the other videos. I did this in different styles. I can decide to braid the front of the twist and leave it at the back, just like an updo. It's just like an half up, half down kind of style. So I did that, and that thing I usually do is make cornrows with it, like from the front to the back. I make cornrows with it. Sometimes I just do two braids with the mini twist. I did practically everything I can do with my natural hair in its natural state with the mini twist, and by doing that I was able to stretch the hair and keep it stretched for at least 2 weeks. Then I can change the style again. And before I actually styled this, I ensured that at the beginning of the mini twist journey, my first month, I didn't touch it. What do I mean by I didn't touch it? I did wash it, but I didn't braid it again. I didn't braid it. So it was at the beginning of the second month, I decided to start thinking of styles to do with my hair. And then when I washed, I rebraid. I wash again after 2 weeks, I rebraid. So the third thing I did, I don't know, was it the third? Oh, okay, I don't know, I didn't keep count. So the next thing I did was at the end of the second month, that's it, at the end of 8 weeks, I took down some of the hair at the front, those ones at the sides by the ears, and the ones at the back, and I just took them down and retwisted them. Then for the remaining part of the hair, I used a crochet pin and crochet everything just like that. So I made sure in this process I applied my moisturizer, hair oils, and my water, normal routine. And this was what I did. And I also ensured that I don't apply too many products that will clog my scalp and make me want to wash the hair too often. So I did all of this and I was able to keep my mini twist for 3 months, and people couldn't tell that my hair was up to 3 months unless I tell them. So styles like this one was one of the examples of what I did to my hair, and it made it last even longer. So I can still decide to take my hair up to 5 months. which is weird. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do that anyway, but I could decide to do it, and this is the way I'll be styling it all through, and it will last to that duration of time that I want it to. So this is how you can actually style your braids. Take a look at this. These braids, they are fresh, they are looking fresh, yeah, but the ones at the other side is the 3 months hair. So look at it. I can actually rock this to school, right? Put some edge controls at the front and I'm good to go. So these are all the things I did for my hair during these 3 months. Let me know how you keep your mini twists and how do you make it last longer. Do you at the end of 3 months also put wigs on your hair just to cover it and make it last longer? That's a very good plan if that's what you do. That's a very good way to keep your hair tucked in and protected and make it last longer. But I can't actually do that for school most times, yeah, so this is what I do. So let me know your own methods of keeping your mini twists so that I can also try it into my own routine. Thank you very much, guys. So if you're just joining us, please leave a like if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, join the family, ask questions, and I will give you the best possible answer I can give. In the next couple of days, I would also be posting about beginners tutorial for hair, and also I'm trying to do a very small, let's say a mini vlog on hair. So make sure you don't miss it, okay? Alright, so like I said, don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below, okay? Back to the video. So as you can see, I'm done with it, and I just made jumbo sizes. Okay, so I can easily take it down and mind my business on the hair. So this is what I do most times on my hair, and it just makes it look more neater, new, and last longer. So this is it. I can actually rock this like this to school, and maybe stay around the house, you know, just it's okay like this. I can even put a wig on top if I decide to. Okay, sometimes I do put a wig on top and go to school. Yeah, it doesn't really show, it's not that big. So this is it. This was the very first part that I did, and before I actually did the full cornrow and everything, so it just makes it look more neater. So guys, you see my hair, very mindful, very cutesy, very demure. Thank you very much for watching till the end, guys. Seriously, thank you so much. I really do appreciate this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.